Hey, welcome back to our channel Login Giants. So today I'm going to show you how to fix notes not showing on Instagram. So let's quickly get started. Open your Instagram application, and once you go to your message, there was supposed to be the note. As it's not showing now, we will check what we can do. Firstly, I want you to enable your activity status by going to your profile section and clicking on to settings and to its activity status. Activate this status and again go back to your message and refresh a couple times. Again, another reason the notes might not be showing is due to your unupdated Instagram application. So we will go to Play Store and try and update this application. Let's go to Play Store and search for Instagram. Here, as you can see, my Instagram application is out of date, so I'm gonna update this. So now that you have updated your Instagram, the feature must be showing on your Instagram homepage. In case it's not showing the note sign, then just know that they have updated that feature as well. And you have to wait for another feature to come out so you can enjoy them. Till then, see you. Thank you for watching.